Hi guys, welcome to Get Humanities and Social Science YouTube channel. So guys, today I'll give you some suggestion, some tips why you should qualify these exams. What are the benefits of this exam? So everything I will discuss today, and please share this video with your friends and those who are new to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon so that you will get a notification. Okay guys, ये वीडियो आपके लिए है, so please share this video with your friends and try to qualify. At least you should qualify this exam, because there are so many opportunities you will get after your MA degree from IIT, like IIT Madras, IIT Kharagpur, IIT Bombay, IIT Delhi, okay, IIT Guwahati, IIT Kanpur, IIT Roorkee. So all these IIT are like top notch institute in the country as well as in the world. So guys, after MA degree you will get placement. Okay, this is the biggest opportunity, the degree from IIT, and that you will get. Okay, because like you will be trained. Okay, you will be trained people. Okay, after this degree. But before this program, the first thing, and that is you have to qualify GATE exam, because you should qualify this exam. Without this exam you cannot get entry pass to IIT. So guys, for the entry in IIT you have to score at least 30 to 40 marks. Okay, but try to get the average marks, that is 35. So that marks will be your qualifying marks. And one more thing guys, so there are different difficulty level of different humanities and social science subject. I am telling you guys, and the cutoff will be different for every humanities and social science subject. Like cutoff for sociology, that will be different from cutoff from like economics, because the difficulty level of these two subject is different, and the cutoff of English and cutoff of like psychology. So there you can find like you will find some difference, because the difficulty level of these two subject is different, but every subject is important. Okay, so after your degree from IIT, first thing I want to mention you, like you will get placement if you are doing very well, if you are like if you are putting more efforts, so you will get placement. Okay, one more important thing, you will get like many opportunities for research in the IIT as well as from the foreign universities. If you want to pursue your PhD from foreign university, you can go there easily, because all the IITs, all premier IITs, like IIT Bombay, like it has more than 150 like more with foreign universities, top notch foreign universities in the world. Okay, so there are so many more are like signed by this IIT and by the foreign IIT, foreign institute and universities. Okay, so guys, that will be the biggest opportunity, and for this you have to qualify this GATE exam. Okay, without this exam you cannot get the opportunity to do your like MA program. Okay, and one more important thing, that is like if you have like UGC JRF, you can go there for in this institute for PhD. That is a different thing. But if you are like, if you are bachelor or like other domain background, Okay, if you want to pursue MA program in this IIT, you will get many opportunities. Okay, even in every state, of our country, there are so many private and private engineering college, private university. So all those universities always like they want to hire their faculty from this premier institute, from this IIT. So you can be a professor after doing MA degree from this institute. You can get this opportunity. Okay, so guys, the benefits of this GATE exam are huge, and you have to utilize all these benefits. Okay, and all of these actually like all of these is like depending on your GATE scorecard. So you have to qualify the GATE exam first. Okay, and you have to qualify only 30 to 40 marks. Okay, that means I am telling you like many times in my previous video, 30 to 40 will be your like cut off marks. So ये मन के चलो आपको क्या करना होगा, आपको 35 marks score करना होगा. So that will be like your cut off marks. Okay, so if you like qualify this exam, you will get many opportunities. In our country there are 23 IITs. Okay, I am telling you guys, in our country there are 23 IITs. Okay, and you can get at least one opportunity to take admission in this IIT and go for there. Okay, and you can go there. Okay, and you can explore your career. Without this IIT there are so many good NITs also, so you will get many opportunities. And the one more important things, okay, so you will get fellowship from MHRD, Ministry of Human Resource Management, and that amount is very good amount. Okay, and it will cover all the expense in IIT, your fees, your hostel fees, okay, your fooding, lodging, everything you can cover. Okay, so 12,500 rupees is good enough to for your every facilities. Okay, you can cover every expenses of IIT. So just qualify this exam. You can go for your career with this GATE score. So guys, I think this video will help you a lot. If you do like this video, please share this video with your friends, and please press the bell icon so that you can get notification when I will upload many videos. Okay, all the best. Jai Hind.